Over 850,000 people took part in studies supported by the NIHR Clinical Research Network over the past 12 months. And now, with the support of NHS trusts across the UK, the network are looking to increase that number. The new Be Part of Research campaign aims to inform and include more patients, carers and the general public in clinical research projects.
The Be Part of Research campaign, you'll see a lot of people wandering around with badges saying, I'm part of research. And we're hoping that people will notice that and will ask questions about it. And then the more that we can inform the public and the patients, hopefully the more response we'll get when we're looking for patients to go on to clinical trials. There are a lot of challenges to getting patients to take part in clinical research. First of all, it's finding the patient that is appropriate for that particular research study. But not just then there are problems with transport, links for patients. Patients want to be seen in their own locality. They may not be appropriate for the right study. We may have to look at several different studies before we find one that's appropriate for that person. And there are so many challenges for a patient to actually get on a research study. A lot of patients don't even know that research is going on in their own trust or in their own hospital or at their own doctor's surgery. So it's really important that we promote research as much as we can.
Norman Hesketh Hart took part in diabetes and cardiovascular research and spoke of his experiences while taking part and says everyone can do their bit to help.
The diabetic research was mainly a series of blood tests at certain times of the day, every day, and also filling in tick box questionnaires about my condition day to day, so that it could go with others to give a basis for the effect of taking the medication that I was on. Levels of involvement that you can decide upon, from just filling in a form about your condition, how you feel, what effect it has on your life, etc., etc. Or you can go through, higher and higher involvement where you might be taking blood tests, for instance, or you might be taking trial medication. But you can choose this. You don't have to go through and do medical trials that you're not happy with. So everybody can get involved because anyone can fill in, a tick box questionnaire. And those help.
The long-term plan of the NHS is to have 1 million people taking part in research by 2024, with research playing a crucial part in patient care.
Patient care has been changed by research immeasurably. None of us would probably be here if it wasn't for the research that's already currently happened. Any of the medicines that you are given by your GP have been researched, and they've been researched by people like you and me. It's not just about medicines, though. It's about other things as well, how to detect early Alzheimer's, Parkinson's. It's about physiotherapy, diabetes. There are so many different areas of research that everybody can get involved in, and it's so important because it will make sure that the health outcomes for our children and our grandchildren and ourselves will be better in the future.
So with new studies regularly taking place and the support of NHS trusts around the country, the NIHR will be hoping that more and more people decide to be part of research. Kieran Goldberg, That's TV.